Alright. Now, are you ready to sing the happy birthday song? After singing the happy birthday song, si Shan will blow his candle. Alright? Now, are you ready to sing the happy birthday song? After singing the happy birthday song, you count from 1 to 3 and then Shan will blow his candle. Right, start singing now. The adults may join the singing. A cappella lang. Right, 1, 2, 3, go.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday. One more time, faster now. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Count from 1 to 3. 1, 2, 3. Shan, you blow your candle. Alright, si Mommy and Daddy mag-blow. Let's give it up to Shan, Mommy and Daddy. Alright, now do you want to see your guests? Sino gusto makita yung guest natin?
Kami tanan.
Do you want to see your guest? Who can guess who is our guest? Alright, so dito kayo sa gitna.
Winnie the
Dito kayo
Pooh.
sa gitna and form a 1 big 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, and 10. Please help me welcome Barney!
Yay!
Alright, hello Barney! Thanks for coming sa Shan's birthday! Alright! Alright, hello Barney! Barney, our birthday celebrant, Shan. There you are. Alright, hi Shan, say hello. Hello, you know him?
Dapat.
Wow, Barney has a gift for Shan. It's a Barney head. Alright. Alright. Now say hello, Barney. Hello.
Hello.
Alright.
Sharing with others.
Alright. Right, do you want Barney to sing? Gusto niyo magkita si Barney mag-sing? Barney, you wanna sing?
Look what I can.
Yes, gusto na niyo mag-sing. Oh, you want to You love me.
We're a happy family with a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too? I love you, you love me. We're best friends like friends should be, with a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too?
Alright! Galing magkanta ni Barney ah! Alright, say hi again to Barney! Si Barney! Parang walang ngalanan na sa kids! Alright! Gusto sumayaw ni